Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your birthday in TikTok. Open your TikTok app. Next, tap on your profile icon in the down right corner. Then you can find these three lines in here, so you need to tap on it. Now you need to click the settings and privacy option. Scroll down a bit and find a report a problem option. Then click on it. Next, you need to click account and profile option. Then you can find editing profile. So tap on it. Now click on this other option. Next, you need to go to the top bottom and click this need more help option in here. Now type in I need to update my birthday info on the profile option in here. Next, click on the submit button. Then you can change your birthday. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.